Hi everyone, this is what we're going to create for free. So stay tuned, this is the tutorial and see how wonderful this is. I'll show you another example at the end. Let's start, let's do this. Our AI tool is Dashtune. This is what you see when you open it. The link will be in the description, of course, no worries. So here you can watch episodes, and here is where your episodes will be. This is just an example. If you have views, you can earn a passive income with this. Good, eh? Okay, describe the type of story you like and AI writes it for you. Click Next. Now let's choose the style. And now the characters. The magic is about to start. Fabulous, right? Here on your right, you can change the settings. Play around with its features and see how it goes. I like this story, don't you? Change the font of the text, you can change the speech bubble, you can introduce other stuff, just check it out. You can also add characters or change the characters you have. You can also generate another character with AI. Now let's publish. You get a link or a QR code. Choose whichever you like or both. That's it. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. So thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.